ngày mình đưa 3 tổ ong về thì mình sẽ cho nó vô cái nhà của nó. Đây là nhà nó đây. So Tim, can I have this space? Wow, isn't that awesome? Đây là ong take out
4.
Lấy ra.
Oh yeah, 'cause it's gonna be
That's the feeder. So the feeder here, and then
it's loose. There we go.
okay. So we're gonna put this.
See the queen on there.
Yeah. I don't see the queen here either. They mistreat these bees, man.
Hmm?
Oh, they had this
Peg.
treatment for. Oh, the queen's here.
Found her.
She's here, right here. See that?
Yep.
She's there.
Let me zoom in on her.
Beautiful.
There she is. Okay.
Uh-oh. Put them in. I think I need to take out one more.
Yeah, take out one more.
Oh man, they built the comb right on there too.
Yeah, we're gonna lose. We might be able to drop that in there, but just grab them both. Just grab them both.
Well, I need to lose them up anyway.
Oh.
Because that way. Wow, this is a full one. This is a nice one. Ridges over here. Oh, this is heavy.
Yep.
This one has honey. Có mật ong. Make a hole. Wow, this is full. This is very nice.
Okay, now what we want to probably do, I wonder if we should try to hang these in one of these frames. Like hang them inside of the frame here. I don't know if we could get them to stick or not, Teresa. You know what I'm saying? No, maybe not. See if you can kind of get it to stick there. I don't know.
Okay.
Well, you got some bees on the other side of it, that's why. It may or may not stick. There we go.
If not, we can just take it in.
Yep.
Just take it in.
I just hate for them to lose the wax. Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's not gonna stick. It's gonna die or something. Yeah, no, don't put
Put
it
them right in
there.
the corner. Well, they can move the wax.
Oh, they can.
Yeah.
Okay,
The comb.
so
They'll move the comb.
we need to. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this one here.
there's like you could put one more almost, but it can't. I don't think.
It's too tight.
It's too tight. That's what I'm saying. It's just not quite.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can. You just have to scoot them over.
No, you gotta leave space here.
Well, they've got little spacer bars. That's what I was saying. That if you scoot them, then one more frame will go in there.
Okay, we'll take the feet out. Let's take the feet out. That way we can put 2 slots in.
Okay.
Okay?
Actually, I'm going to tap them off.
There we go. Perfect. Right?
Yep. See if you can scrape those down.
I'm gonna leave.
Maybe
on top here. Just let them meet. Should we tap this in?
you can either tap it in or let them try to.
Okay, so we can take this one in. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we'll move on to this one. I forgot I've been speaking in English. Okay, wow. Now this comb. Where's my spatula? We call it spatula. Okay, scrape this out.
So let's get it in here first, then we'll worry about that one. You may want to speak in Viet. There you go.
Okay.
Set that there.
Leave them here now.
Let's set this.
Leave them.
Set this here. You want to set it over there or here? Okay.
Okay, we take how many? 4? Can't see with my glasses. There we go. Sorry, B. Didn't mean to hurt you. Get out of the way. There you go. Okay. See the queen?
Not on that one, I don't.
Not on that one?
I don't see it on the back side.
Oh, this is all honey, so she's not going to be there.
Yeah.
Get out of the way, baby. Oh man, this thing is heavy. Got stuck on the bottom or something.
Stuck on the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, woo. Oh my God, didn't mean to do that, baby. Okay. Queen, where are you? Queen, no. You see it? She's not here. không có là ông chúa ở đây rồi. Okay, in we go. Come on, baby, get out of the way. Get out. They told me I have to scrape all that out. Whoops, did I squash them? It's too tight.
All the drones, but
I see the drone, which is not good.
yeah, she's got to be there somewhere.
Sorry, B.
There's a little stick up there.
Alright, let me take one out. This one's not good. This one. Oh man, look at all these honey. People actually eat this, Tip.
Oh yeah, the comb. Yeah, absolutely.
Save it. Can't have it sticking out. I have to.
No, I know. Look at all that honey, though.
What should we do with these? We just leave it here and let them rot.
Yeah, let them go over there. Yeah.
Okay,
You want your food right there. Yep. You want to put that other frame in there?
yeah. We gotta take this out. Should I put this back up? That's too tight, huh?
Yeah, I think I'd leave it open till those other bees try and move.
Yeah, but there's a lot of space in between the lid and
Oh, I see.
this
Okay,
one.
okay. If there's a lot of space, that's fine.
If not, if I open this and leave the food here,
Right.
what you think?
And what? How do they get up there?
Through these.
Oh, through the. Oh, there's no. Okay, I see. Okay.
See?
Yep.
So now there's an opening, right?
Yep.
See, they go through here.
Yep.
They like that. Okay, and put the lid back in.
There we go.
Might as well do the other one too.
Yep.
This is candy. Okay. It has the word on there. Sugar, candy. So that means they can be able to come out. Okay. Alright, so that's one. Let's put the lid on. We're done with one. Might as well. Get out of the way. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that either. What did I do wrong?
There you go.
Oh, okay. Move the handle up. Hook it on. You can't clip it like that. You gotta put it
It's
in
got
here.
the yeah, seal it. Oh.
Okay. Let me go ahead and put that one in. Is this the right way? I forgot.
Syrup this way. It has the candy on the outside. I think that's how that works. So I think if it's this way,
Okay, we can take this out.
so you want it to be able to go up. I think you want it this way. Like that. So the big hole's on this side, I think. Yep, like that. All the way to the back. There you go. And you already loaded that in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Too many bees here. Let's get the smoke and smoke them out a little bit. I need to get them out of there. Look, that's the kind of bug we don't want.
Yeah, that's right. And then, yeah, you want the candy on the outside. There you go. You want to lift it down there?
Oh, yeah. stuck
There you
together.
go. There you go.
Oh, we didn't pay attention. Well, we didn't see the queen on the second one, huh? This is not good, Tim. It has the food is sticking out too much. You see the queen? They collected nectar. I don't see the queen. Queen here either.
Well, she could be under this whole swarm over here. I mean,
This is not good. Being high
yeah,
like
where
that.
they're high like that. Yeah.
Should I scrape it out?
We probably need to.
Because if not, it's gonna get bigger. She is. There she is.
Oh, yep, there she is. Okay.
You see, this is way too thick.
Yep.
And I need to do it right on top of them. How am I gonna do this?
Do it over the top of that so it falls down in there. There you go.
Ooh, it stung me.
Hmm.
I got a hole.
Did you get one pinch between the glove and the...
I got a hole on my gloves. It stung me though. Can you use the smoke?
What's that?
Can you use the smoke?
Yep. Kind of have to get a hold of these. That frame's right there. Yeah, I just took that out to get it easier in there.
Okay, thank you.
You already got the food in there, right?
Yeah. So we're not gonna. I hope we're not creating a frenzy, Rob, because all these honeys out here. I don't know if it's wise for us to leave it. Can you use the smoke to kind of like get them off here? Thanks.
There we go.
I got stung by a bee. On my first day. Go figure. There we go. Now we got 3. I'm not gonna open too much like that. We're trying to clean up here. What should we do with these?
I'm trying to get the bees to release, and we'll just pick those up.
We're gonna have to pick up all these honey though.
Yep. We're gonna have to take that away. I'm just hoping they'll release so I can.
Okay, let's can I get in through that hole? They can't. These don't have anything.
Here, let me see this one. Let me knock this out real quick. There we go.
We're gonna have to spray some of the some of these.
Just take that lid and just tap it right on the board and just tap it off. And this feeder is so full of stuff. me to knock out that other pod?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it and I record you?
Where are we going to put all these honey on?
So all you need to do is turn it upside down and just tap it on there and just knock them out of there. They'll find their hive. There you go. There you go. There you go.
What we're going to do with these?
Just take them away from here, yes. Yeah, let's just carry this stuff away from here real quick.
We're going to have to smoke them so they can leave. It shocked the hell out of me when they stung me.
What's that?
My back. Okay. Let's go in for a minute.
Hang on.
My back is hurting. Sorry. Do I have a bee on?
You did.
Huh?
You did.